Hello everyone. I got some mailbags. I want to share what I received these days. Okay. What is it? It was like 3 weeks ago, so I don't even remember what it is. Oh, such a nice packing, like bubbles here, right? And what it is? Some SMD. I won't tell you where it came from, because you know everybody knows where those came from. That's yeah, I remember. These are MOSFETs. I ordered it like 3 weeks ago. Can't remember. Can't believe that that's so slow. I just was checking. This is the original MOSFET, and I was hoping it is not the fake one, because these are indeed Chinese, like originally the Chinese. What are these? We have a key. I know, 4406. This is there is there is a trick to find out if the MOSFET is good or bad, like instantly. You just have to measure the gate to source voltage, capacitance, but keep in mind this capacitance you will measure is going to be higher, at least 20 or 30% than it is than it really is. Okay, let's check. Do we have reading? Yeah, we have readings. Yeah, like this. So this is diode test, this continuity, and these are our capacitance measurements. Okay, let's see. Gate, drain, this is standard pin out. And what do we have? Like 85. That's not the original. That like half. That was I expected. It should be 1.4 nanofarads at best. Okay, let's get to another item. Like it's always, but I didn't expect that much. Not the news for me. This is what do we have? Why such a big bag? I mean, the item is so small. But whatever. I know what it is. This is an 2.4 gig Wi-Fi antenna. IPEX something socket. Kind of gold covered. Always buy two. That's my religion. Quite not bad. For my embedded projects, just fine. Okay, that's good. The next one, something. Oh, I know. This is, I know what it is. USB something. Ah, yeah, right. USB sound card. Let's see. This is like half a buck, maybe 80 cents. First of all, I should say this is a nice box. You can put some device, USB device in it, like DIY things. Okay. I'm not sure I'm going to crack open it. Maybe later. Looks nice. Clickety clack. This thing is actually for the I should say mainboards, motherboards of the PCs that where the embedded sound card is toasted or malfunction or whatever. You came with this and you have a sound. Kind of. Okay, let's go to the next one. That's an easy one. Oh, you have a cables. Ah, no. This is for custom LCD things. Oh, again, a goldish one. Like shiny gold. Maybe we should put some tests if it's gold or anything. I mean, drop of iodide, and it's gonna show us if it's any gold here. How many channels do we have? Like 4 pairs. They were saying to me it's going to be 1 pair, but it's 6-bit and 4 pairs. Kind of nice. You know, there are a lot of broken PCs or laptops with faulty logic boards, but the screens are fine. I mean, LCDs are fine. And there are kind of boards when you plug, like here. This is the LED, I'm assuming, and this is the data lines. So you plug this into the board, this to the LCD itself. Then you have a like monitor. Whatever. Okay, looks good. And the last one. Oh no, it's not the last one. No, yeah, it's last. The last. 1, 2, 3. Last one. What is going to be? Oh, that's what I want. You know, this is the I2C audio chip, like digital to analog converter. You could easily do your DIY thingies like internet radio, MP3 players of any kind. That's good one. Okay, that's fine. But it goes freakishly long. Actually, for me to reach to me. Okay, bye.